Life was testing your patience to the breaking point. Like no matter how hard you tried, everything was falling apart around you and all you could do was wait. In those moments, it's easy to lose faith, to give up, to believe the storm will never end. But sometimes, the greatest strength we can ever show is the strength to stay calm when everything inside us is screaming to give up. This is the story of a young man named Aaron, whose patience became the key that unlocked his destiny. Aaron was a simple man with big dreams. He wanted to start his own business, something small, at first a local coffee shop where people could come, sit, talk, and feel at peace. He saved for years, worked long hours, and finally opened the doors. But just as his dream began, the world turned against him. A sudden storm destroyed his shop. Everything he worked for was gone in a single night. The wind had ripped through the windows, the rain had flooded the floors, and his savings, everything washed away. He sat there the next morning, surrounded by broken wood and soaked papers, staring at the ruin of his dream. For a moment, he thought of quitting. Who wouldn't? Life had taken everything. But somewhere, deep inside, a small voice whispered, "Be calm. This is not the end." So Aaron didn't give up. He started over. Every morning, he picked up one broken piece of his dream and tried again. But things didn't get easier. The banks refused loans. His friends told him to move on. Even his family lost faith. Yet Aaron remained calm. He believed that rushing in panic wouldn't rebuild his dream. Patience would. For months, he worked in silence. He sold handmade coffee mugs to earn a little money. He helped at local shops to learn more about running a business. He listened more than he spoke. He waited more than he acted. And slowly, opportunities began to appear. A kind stranger who once bought a mug noticed his quiet strength and offered to invest in him. With that help, Aaron rebuilt his cafe, this time stronger, warmer, and more beautiful than before. The same storm that destroyed his first dream ended up becoming the reason people trusted him. They saw how he stayed calm when everything fell apart, and that calm became his power. Soon, his cafe became a symbol of hope for the entire town, a place built not from wealth or luck, but from patience, resilience, and faith. Years later, when asked what his secret was, Aaron smiled and said, "The storm wasn't my enemy, was my teacher. It taught me that patience is not about waiting. It's about trusting that everything will come together at the right time." His words spread like fire. Because they spoke the truth so many forget. You cannot force life to bloom before its season. You must be the calm in your storm. When people leave you, be calm. When dreams collapse, be calm. When your heart breaks and your plans fail, breathe. Stay patient. Because panic makes you blind, but patience lets you see the path hidden in chaos. Maybe right now you're standing in your own storm. Maybe you've lost something dear, or you're waiting for a door to open that just won't budge. Don't let frustration destroy your peace. Remember, even the seed must wait in darkness before it touches the light. Hold your patience and you'll win your life. Because patience isn't weakness, it's faith in motion. The calmest person in the room is often the strongest one, because they've learned that storms don't last forever. Your storm too will pass. And when it does, you'll realize it wasn't there to break you, was there to build you. So the next time life shakes you, don't fight the wind. Stand tall. Be calm. Trust your journey. Every great thing you've ever dreamed of is waiting for you just beyond your patience. Don't give up. Your time will come. Stay calm and win your life.